and hi Doctor and my beloved friends. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Azmi. Today I would like to share you all about interview careers at Syarikat Zumaju. For that, I would like to introduce my group's member. First is Nur Aini. Second is Nur Aina Syahira. Third is Ahmad Anwar. Fourth is Nur Hikmah. We will answer two questions about the title record. The first question is, how do you think Johnson will feel after his first day work? And second, prepare a plan for Johnson's first day of work.
How do you think Johnson will feel after his first day at work? After Johnson's first day of work at Zumaju Sdn Bhd, maybe he feel a little bit stressful because his first day of work getting worse because he sleep in the office. Johnson become more worried because he giving the first impression to his manager by looking crumpled and not smart as a newbie at the company.
Today, I would like to talk about how Johnson feel in his first day of working at Zumaju Sdn Bhd. I think Johnson will feel awkward because he had to wait at the canteen while his department manager find chair and table for him. Johnson also not introduced to his other colleagues by his department manager. This will make it difficult for Johnson in the future to communicate with his other colleagues because he does not know any of them directly. The third reason is Johnson's department manager did not provide or describe any his work scope. Because of this, Johnson to be forced to sit at his table without doing any work for his first day of working at Zumaju Sdn Bhd.
Okay, I will answer question 2 for the first point. The point is Johnson must dress up professionally. Once a person get a job offer letter, he need to make sure that he knows the code of dress code at the company. So Johnson plan the outfit to avoid chaos that next morning. He planned to wear the white collar shirt with slacks and with the coat or blazer. He needs to look good for the first impression for the company. He needs to look neat, stylish and skilled to give confidence to the company for accept him to working with them. One more thing I want to share with you all. If a person is accepted to work in a company or any workplace at all, they need to know about the dress code in the workplace first. It is because it's not only reflects our personality, but it is one of the emblems of discipline.
The plan for Johnson is he should not be ashamed to ask the question or advice because there is a lot to learn as a new hire, and asking the question will help us to avoid the mistake in the future. Johnson cannot afraid to ask the question to gain clarified to handle the things correctly. For the example, Johnson may need to ask which department he is supposed to be placed, which task he should do in the first day. From that, it can show that he wants to do well in his new position.
All he had to do was he must provide a strong soul and be professional in the job. This is because in every job requires a high degree of passion in producing great profits, a professional attitude in controlling every angle and being able to solve a problem can make oneself a great and worthwhile employee for Zumaju company. So Johnson should not be disappointed even he ran into trouble on his first day, like mistakenly parking in the wrong place even though there were no signs in the parking area, said senior parking management. This will cause Johnson is not easily stressed and upset at work and can do desired job well and brilliantly. Such a professional attitude will give a positive impression from others to Johnson on his first day of work and in the days to come. Thank you.